Weather chart, there's that ridge of high pressure that is going to move in, and as it moves in, it's going to change the circulation. We are going to be looking at northeasterly winds. At this point, we do have a high wind watch and a wind advisory both, because some of these winds are going to be sustained about 20 to 35 miles per hour. So those are going to be your constant winds. We are going to see wind gusts somewhere between 60 and 75 miles per hour. Those will be isolated winds. All wind gusts are going to be somewhere around 50. So we have the wind gusts, and then we have the isolated ones. And the isolated ones are the ones that we're worried about, because those could reach 70 miles per hour. In some areas, they could reach about 60. And that's what you are looking at on this map. This is tomorrow at 5:50 p.m. We were expecting those winds to peak tomorrow between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., but now it looks like those winds are going to stick around longer. And for that reason, the fire weather watch, or excuse me, the red flag warning has been extended longer. So now we're looking at widespread winds and dry conditions until Friday, 6 p.m. That's when the last of those will be lifted. The overnight temperatures are also going to be a little on the cool side in those wind-protected areas. Again, places like Corona, places like the Pomona Valley, the Antelope Valley, and of course the higher elevations, our mountains, Big Bear, Wrightwood. Those communities are going to get pretty cold, because remember, this starts off as cold air out of Canada, and as it goes down the mountain slopes and moves towards the Pacific, it warms up. And so sometimes the temperatures along the coast in our interior sections during Santa Ana wind events can be, if not exactly the same, pretty close to the same. So we'll start in the San Fernando and the San Gabriel Valley. 81 degrees, dry and windy tomorrow, the same on Friday, except for the red flag warning will expire Friday. It is going to be a little bit warmer. For the LA